Hi, this is Elizabeth with WTI, and if you're looking to shoot some film in black and white, I definitely recommend the Kodak black and white 400 T-Max film. This Kodak film I have used for the past 10 years. Yeah, I want to say for the past 10 years. This is how I got interested in doing film photography, and I even at one point was working in a dark room and developed my own film, and the Kodak always did an awesome job. I love how crisp and clear the black and white come out. If you've never shot in black and white, I 100% recommend trying it out. It makes your brain look at things a little bit differently than in color. You're focused more on the shadows and the negative space, and it makes everything look so different. I love the black and white. I even have most of my photos printed from the different film that I've taken throughout the years. But they always look the same. They're standard, just your normal film canister. And they're really easy to install into your cameras and really easy to use. It has never done me wrong. My photographs look amazing, and I recommend this to everyone. Try the black and white. Try the black and white. Trust me. Have fun with it. Get into film photography and just enjoy the shapes and the way the shadows fall, and it's a beautiful thing. Check out the Kodak 400, and that's my point of view.